She like 5'1", honey, hella fine, low key, shorty mad, whoa, that's the shit we on. Looking natural, self-love, it's a good thing, smell like ass.
Hello everyone, welcome back. No formal intro. I don't know if this is even gonna go on YouTube or if it's even gonna be long, but we got some crabs earlier. This is Chance. Say hey, Chance. Yo, this man said hello.
Hey vlog.
500.
You got no food, my dog. And I can't say where we're going because I just realized it's still a surprise for Mr. Lito. So here you go, Miss CC. Go ahead and.
Hey vlog. It's me. And this is Lito.
What
are they doing?
Can you tell him what the surprise is for and stuff? Like,
Well, his birthday's in 5 days, and you know I have like stuff planned or whatever.
Turning 21.
He's turning 19, so what's it called? He got something for the 5 days before his birthday and the day after his birthday. So he don't know where he's going, but I already bought the tickets,
It's so scary.
he gotta go.
by the way,
Alexis wanted to come.
this is Miss CC's boyfriend because young niggas don't even know him for real.
Yeah, but Alexis wanted to come on our adventure because we always going somewhere, so
Yeah, they always
she wanted to be
know where I'm
included.
from, so I'm in here like swimmer and Chance got invited. So yeah, we fighting people to get inside. So once we get there, if I am able, I will.
You that nigga! She trying to open the door. Are you crazy? Yo.
She look crazy.
Yo, just roll down the window a little bit.
Nah, yo.
You roll down your window. Wait, where's my phone?
Just
Unlock the door.
Oh my god. Yo.
Stop, dog. You're. Yo. Yo, that mug is on. It ain't got no chains though. Oh, that nigga ugly.
Lito.
Hey, bro, what the?
Ooh, that's so ugly.
Woo! Hey, rev it up.
I think we were going pepper. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so too.
Turtle.
Ooh, that must scare
Y'all
me.
got scared.
Look at that.
Yo.
Great big girl Whitney, make some noise for Whitney. Is he in the car? Yeah.
Put my window up a bit.
Watch out with the clown. Watch out with the clown.
Don't laugh, man. Don't laugh. Man, don't laugh.
Once again, if you find a lost clown, please.
I don't want no.
That's the one.
Everybody hunker down.
Tell him his hair's nice. Tell him his hair's nice.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Oh, not
That hair flowing.
not that.
Oh, man.
Well, I couldn't see his hand.
Nervous. You hear them niggas gonna pop out. It's really a car wash. Daddy's gonna snap.
Yeah, but I didn't hear no dryer. That's the only part.
Exactly. Daddy's gonna snap.
I mean,
Think?
It just looks like a thunderstorm.
Oh, I see somebody right there. You see him?
I don't see nothing. This ain't scary.
Oh, my
I just feel
mama.
like this
It was only that one guy.
thunderstorm. He gonna be touching.
Yo.
He gonna be touching the window after I.
Yeah, we just cleaned the car.
Right.
Isn't that the wolf guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Wait. We just stopped. Wait. Is the door?
Oh my God.
What that scared you, huh? Yeah.
Why are we stopped?
Yo, we stopped.
Yeah, they stopped us.
Oh, here we go.
Look, they're still right there. Look, we go.
Hell no.
You don't even care about that.
He getting wet, bro.
This snake finna get sick.
On me. Could not be me.
Oh, that was it. Ooh.
Oh. Who this? He's a new one.
Yo! Is that someone?
Yo!
Yes.
I don't even see
You
that.
can't even see that.
Ooh, he's scary. Oh, they close.
Oh, not him at the end.
For real.
Look, put the flash on. I swear the door was locked.
How? Nah, for real.
Nah, you still on the
Yeah, you still on the. Look at that man, bro.
He ain't gonna move. What's good? Alright, you hear the chainsaw?
Ooh.
Alright, son. Alright. When I put this hoe in gear.
Ooh.
Yeah, you ain't so bad, huh? Yeah.
Look at that.
So, out of a 10, what was the scary rating for y'all? I think I'm giving it a 4.
I'm giving it 1.
Lito says 1, Licia says 4, I say 4, Chance says 4. Alright, so y'all seen it here, niggas.
Yeah, I ain't get scared.
I mean, that's
Lita,
not,
you lying? Because when
y'all
you pulled
seen
up,
it here.
No, Lita was smiling at all.
We are finna go home now, but yeah, haunted car wash. If you have one in your town, go hit it up and see how they do. It was cool. Never been to a haunted car wash, but definitely wasn't as scary as a haunted house. So
never been in a haunted house.
I have plenty of times, but
Never will be.